In this tutorial, I'll show you how to embed a Pomodoro timer in Notion so you can manage your work sessions without leaving your workspace. Let's get started. Open your browser and visit a Pomodoro timer website, such as pomofocus.io. Once the page loads, copy the website's URL from the address bar. Now open Notion and go to the page where you want the timer to appear, such as your dashboard, study page, or task manager. Paste the URL into the page. When Notion asks how you'd like to insert it, choose Create Embed or Embed. Wait a few seconds for the widget to load. Once it's embedded, you can start, pause, and reset the Pomodoro timer directly from your Notion page without opening another tab. If the widget doesn't load, make sure you've copied the correct URL and try refreshing the page before embedding it again. That's how to embed a Pomodoro widget in Notion. Thanks for watching.